a shared commitment towards developing products that reduce the carbon footprint of the fossil fuel industry, has brought together DXP Enterprises and Energy Recovery Inc. to introduce the IsoBoost Energy Recovery System for gas treating. The IsoBoost system can integrate into a 3x50% high-pressure amine circulation pump configuration or a 2x100% pump configuration. Let's show the IsoBoost integration into a 2x100% configuration. A traditional amine system pumping 500 gallons per minute at 1000 psi contactor pressure and 80 psi flash tank pressure would have an electric motor-driven high-pressure circulation pump sized for this operation and utilize a 500 horsepower motor. With IsoBoost in series, the turbocharger transfers approximately half of the rich amine differential pressure to pumping pressure. Therefore, the turbo would require only half the pressure from a reduced-size electric high-pressure circulation pump to boost into the contactor. With a booster pump delivering 40 psi, the electric high-pressure circulation pump would then be designed to provide 500 gallons per minute at half the traditional pressure to the IsoBoost skid, resulting in a savings of 250 horsepower. At the heart of the IsoBoost system is a hydraulic turbocharger. This device captures pressure typically wasted in one fluid process flow and then uses that captured energy to boost the pressure in an adjacent flow. From the control room screen, we can engage the start button for either an auto start or a manual start. In a 2x100% configuration, the IsoBoost system typically transfers about 50% of the rich amine pressure into lean amine boosted pressure. With 3 times the reliability of a traditional pump, the IsoBoost liquid-to-liquid turbocharger recovers energy from the letdown of a high-pressure fluid and transfers it to a low-pressure fluid to reduce the energy required for pumping. The IsoBoost system maintains the functionality of a traditional level control valve for contactor level regulation. To raise contactor level, high-pressure lean fluid is rerouted to the rich amine side to generate an additional boost from the turbocharger. Once the contactor reaches the desired level, the rich amine energy alone is used to boost the lean amine flow into the contactor, and the system will operate normally. To lower the contactor level, the rich bypass valve is opened, allowing more flow to exit the contactor until the desired level is reached. Utilizing IsoBoost in a 3x50% pump configuration, one of the electric motor-driven HP circulation pumps is replaced by the IsoBoost system. The IsoBoost system and turbocharger is sized such that 100% of the total system rich amine flow enters the turbocharger, while the pump side produces 50% of the flow at 100% of the pressure. Operating in parallel with one electric HP circulation pump, the full system circulation flow rate is achieved. Reliable, easy to install, easy to operate, save money, lower CO2 emissions, and improve your ESG score. IsoBoost, getting you one step closer to your net zero goals.